Alright, welcome everyone. This is Darby, and today we're going to go over how to make your student websites. We're going to be using Weebly, so you should see something like this when you log in. We also like, sometimes students have issues. You go to education.weebly. Oh, darn it. And sometimes you get that. But either way, you should be able to get in there, and I'll give you the credentials. So right now I'm just going to show you a few things. If you want to see what your website looks like, you should have access to something like this, and you can click on it, and it'll kind of show you how the world would actually see um, your stuff. And so then you have all these buttons and so forth. Get out of that. So I'm going to hit edit. Let this thing load up here. Alright, so here we go. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. So this right back here is not my image, it's a stock image. One of the requirements for this class, you need to have your own image here. Not your favorite band, not whatever, you need to actually have a photo you've taken. So that's one of the objectives, no matter if you're in design or in photography. So let's go with pages. I'm going to make a new page just for this, so I'll click on the pages, go over here, and I'll hit the plus. I'll do standard, and I'm going to put test page just because I'm so cool. And hit save, and it pops this test page here. And then since I have so many, this is where it's going to be found. So here you can click on here. You can do bold or italics, underline. And I can gobbledygook. I can make it smaller. I can highlight it and make it smaller. One thing at a time, I believe. So not quite like a word processing. Let's see here. Can I go down? Oh, color change. Alright, didn't realize that. So I can color change. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. We can switch things out. Ooh, lovely. And then you can just click around and do whatever you want. This number right here, if you have a very specific color you want, you can type in the number there. But most of you probably won't do that. This is how you're going to center that. Create a link if you want to link it to somewhere. All that good stuff. So let's roll down here a bit. To edit the image, you can click edit the image. And let's see here, change image. Oh, we can blur it. Let's see if we can blur this thing. And then process, this should look lovely. Yeah, so it's really blurred out. So you can do some really cool things like that if you want to. Darken, so you can do the filters. Gotham. So you can look like Batman. Kind of Batmanish. It's not the right Gotham. Change image, and you can pick whatever you want. So, but remember, you are actually going to upload your image. So click upload from your computer. You can drag the photo from your desktop, or you can upload from your computer. And so we're just going to skip that. And I'm going to skip that. I'll hit cancel. Alright, so that's how you do that. You can also hit this little gear thing here, and we can change it to say shorter. And so that's going to be shorter. We change it so there's a splash. Let's splash. Oh, the whole thing. How groovy. I'm going to change the thing to tall because that's the way I had it. So let's change layout. I like to start with a layout just because I find it kind of easy. So depending on how you want to do this, in each page, because you can have multiple pages, I don't really tell you exactly how to do this. You can have one page with everything, which I don't think would look great. You could have a page for photography, a page for design, for pottery, and so on and so forth. You can do a portfolio where you have everything here, or you can do something here. I like something like this, where you can have your picture and then kind of give a caption, especially when you're doing cell phone photos. That might be nice where you have a page that says cell phone photos right here, and then all the cell phone photos you took or what have you. Or the emulation project, you can put emulation project and then write what it is and have your pictures. You can do a lot. So let's see here. We'll just pick out. I don't know why. We'll just do this one. So it's gonna pop that out there, and I'm gonna say, oh, that's fine. And this is Laura Ipsum gobbledygook. It shouldn't make any sense to you. So you can click on here and you can delete it all and say, um, and you can, write some stuff. You can click the photo and change it. You can click delete and delete the photo. You can change this. Go here and you can hit link, and then you can say you want to link it to one of your pages, and then so you can link it to any one of your pages, or you can link it to a file. So if you want them to be able to download a file, hit upload to do that. They can link it to an email address or a completely different website. And so I like this because it just kind of gives me 3 different rows here. This is some other stuff. So let's go over to build. And so what's really cool about build is I could put, let's say I want another image here, but I don't want it everywhere, but I want it like right here. And so I got that blue bar there, and it's only going to put that image right there. But if I put it like here, it's the image, it's going to do the whole shebang right there. I'm going to put a button in here, put a button there, click on the button text. Isn't that cool? Button style, whatever you want to do with it's fine. And then link it, and then you put in your gobbledygook right there, or you can hit standard and it can go to your photo one and save, and darn you. So when you click on that, it should take you to photo one. And this is how you'd build it from scratch if you wanted to put a divider in. You guys might not have able to put videos on, although I think you do, just not a lot. YouTube, same thing. Spacers, contact forms, all this stuff. Slideshows are really cool. There's a slideshow in here. Remember, as teacher, I can check out whatever you guys do, so remember to be appropriate, and you can come up with any way you want to do this. I think I basically covered a lot of the basics. Kind of follow your own nose and figure things out. Click on theme. You can change colors, fonts, background. There's settings here, and you can probably change a few things. Remember, when you start, you should have like your first name, initial, and like art or 2015 or your graduation year, something like that. Try to standardize it somewhat. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Remember, if you make a mistake, oh, darn it, no. See, since I pressed the button, I'll just go here. We'll go. I guess it didn't save. It's supposed to automatically save. I must have exited it before it did. But let's just go find out. When I click on edit, oh, I know what I didn't do. It saved, but I didn't publish. That's another thing kids don't do. I can't grade you unless you hit this button right here. Okay, so if you look right here, there's my test page. But I don't actually want that to be on my real page, so I'm going to go down here, test page, and then I'm going to hit delete. And are you sure you're going to delete this test page as a yes. And bye-bye test page. But yeah, you need to publish everything, otherwise it's not going to save it. But or you're not going to be able to see it on the web. But yeah, publish, publish, publish. Even after you publish, you can still go back to change things. Have any questions, let me know. I think I covered most things. All right, take care, guys. Have fun, and remember, this is reflection on you, and you're going to have this, and it's going to slowly grow over time. Try to keep a consistent theme. Don't change things all over the place all the time. It should look like one cohesive website. Thanks again, and have a good one. Good luck.